Hello, good day, my fellow followers, subscribers, and people across Ghana and the world. You are welcome to our channel, the BHS Health Education Online channel, where we help people to understand more about their health issues, questions, concerns, and answers to any health challenge you may face. This channel is owned by Brigham Healthcare Service, that's a BHS company. We help people across the world, and specifically Ghana in all the regions, to know more about their health status and consult with our nurses and doctors. So if you are following us and you want to meet with a nurse, or you want to meet with a doctor, or you want to have an online version of consultation and health education, educating more about your health and your well-being, then you can get in touch with us. That is, you can get in touch with the BHS company, that's the Brigham Healthcare Services company. And we will connect you with nurses and doctors immediately as possible. Our nurses and doctors are located all across Ghana, and we help people know more about their health and their well-being. And so if you are interested and you need connections with any of our nurses in Ghana and even abroad, we will connect you with. So my dear friends and loved ones and our followers and those listening on our YouTube channel, my name is Robert Metonunu. I'm a Ghanaian and I live in Accra, Ghana. I started Brigham Healthcare Services in 2017, and Brigham Healthcare Services does lot of things. You can find us on Google. Once you Google Brigham Healthcare Services on Google search, you'll see our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. You also see our website, our address, our phone contact, and the location where the office is located. You will also see a lot more about us, some of the events we've done in the past on YouTube, on Facebook, the pictures on our channel, the Brigham Healthcare Services channel. So the BHS Health Education Online is pioneered by Brigham Healthcare Services. And we have nurses who will be having several engagements, interactions, as well as consultations with our clients across Ghana and even beyond. And so I'm going to share a little bit about what this whole thing is about. So the BHS Health Education is all about we helping people to get to know more about their health by connecting them with our nurses and doctors who are available. So I, Robert Metonuno, I am the director for the Brigham Healthcare Services, and I supervise over this project. We have realized that a lot of people don't know much more about their health, and in order to find a solution where people can have engagement one-on-one as well as learn from us across Ghana using the means of technology, we have created this wonderful YouTube channel, that is the BHS Education Online, where nurses and doctors will come online, have a Q&A sessions, have presentations, and share many, many wonderful things concerning health. And so that is a little bit about the BHS Health Education Online. So this is a little bit about myself. That is the leader of the BHS company, BHS Health Education Online. I've explained what actually it's all about. And this is a little bit about myself, my profile. So my name is Robert Metonuno. I'm the founder, owner, and president of Brigham Healthcare Services, also known as BHS for short, a leading company in the healthcare sector here in Accra, Ghana. I hail from Accra, and I'm a graduate from Brigham Young University, Idaho. And I currently am pursuing my MBA Masters in Houston University in the US. I'm passionate about serving others, and it's my aim to blend all my dedication to God and also to man to help with my professional aspirations, striving to become a global servant leader in the healthcare space. Robert, that's my name. I come with several diverse skills, and I am very trustworthy as I bear the name Robert. I also love to set good examples to others, especially those around me, my community, my nation, my country, my church, and my world. So I'm passionate about healthcare to support, and I'm also a servant preacher of Jesus Christ. I love health and education, and I also love also sharing wonderful things to the world. So that's a little bit about myself. So the first aspect I would want you to know more about this health education online is that this health education online is geared towards helping people to know more about their health and get solutions for some of the challenges they are facing remotely online. And we know that online actually helps spread much information faster than on-site. So this is a very good medium. We are reaching people across Ghana and all the regions and across the world through our social media channels and all our online presence. So BHS, that Brigham Healthcare Services, is pioneering this innovative health solution. And Brigham Healthcare Services, we standing out for pioneering approach to health, committed to introducing innovative solutions to meet the evolving needs of patients across the world. With a reputation for excellence, BHS is dedicated to leveraging technology to enhance health delivery. So we are using online tools to be able to help pioneer this health education to organizations, people, and across the world. And we are doing our best to reach out to all the organizations, companies, institutions across Ghana and beyond who need health education and consult with our nurses and our doctors. So that is basically what we are all about. And I want you to understand that this is a groundbreaking initiative, that underscores our expert guidance and support for people across the world. And this program has a wonderful paradigm shift that will transform the health education space in the whole world. So our emphasis is remote health education online and consultation with our nurses and doctors online. There's also very important thing I want you to know. With this our online health education program, we are collaborating with nurses and doctors across Ghana and even beyond. And so we have effective collaborative platforms where we meet and discuss and plan more on how we assist people remotely across the world. And so this is a wonderful professionals who are nurses who have gone through educational background, health education, nursing, medical personnel, doctors as well. And so they are specialists in their various fields. We accept all kinds of health professionals, especially in the nursing and the medical field. And we will collaborate with all these professionals to help people across the world. Our pillars of this health education program online stands with the fact that we want to create a pivotal role in the health education space on consultations across the world. And we want to make sure that we help train and impact our experience across the world. And so we have our healthcare professionals coming from all across Ghana to help us do this wonderful project. And we are also doing our best to provide expert guidance in the remote space to help create informed decisions that will help the well-being of Ghanaians in all the regions in Ghana and even beyond. So that is something we wanted to know concerning how we collaborate with our nurses and our doctors. Now, I want you to also understand that our goal, we have specific rule and specific platform that we use to coordinate between our nurses and doctors and our patients and our clients across Ghana, who we interact and consult online with. So we use only one particular platform to do that. That is the Google Chat app. So we utilize the Google Chat app to help our nurses and doctors and our clients to both interact. There's no other platform apart from this that is approved by Bringer Health Services that we use to coordinate health online education consult in Ghana. And so we facilitate this communication preliminary with our doctors and nurses who would also have the Google Chat app, and then our clients who have the Google Chat app. They can chat, they can have video sections, they can make calls, they can do many other things just with that app. And the admin and the directors of Bring Out Service, myself, would always be in all the chat engagement with our clients and our patients once we connect them with the nurses to make sure that we get to know what actually is going on. So it's an intuitive design platform that helps navigate in several things, video calls and chats and sharing videos, pictures, and many other things to help effectively communicate efficiently with our nurses online and our clients anywhere they live in Ghana, in all the regions in Ghana. And so the benefits is that it helps us in this remote setting. It has options, both easy and also wonderful platform that will be able to help us to go to do this. So this is the approved platform that we use to do this health education online. And so all our clients and all organizations and professionals who want us to connect with our nurses will have to go through this particular app. And through the admin, that is myself, Robert Mitterman, the admin, will go to connect you with the nurses and doctors accordingly. And so it helps in so many things that I've explained. And I know that it's a wonderful platform that can do all these wonderful things. And that will help. So those are the benefits of the app and how our nurses and doctors use this app to communicate with our clients. who will also use that app, the group chat app. One other thing too that is very important is how to get the app once you want us to connect with our clients. You have to make sure that you download the Google Chat app and then be given the app. Once you have the app on your phone, Android, iOS, or any other phone or your device, once you have it on your laptop or any other device, once you have the Google Chat app downloaded, you will then have to send or give your Gmail to the director of Brigham Young, that's myself, Robert Metomino, and then we will now connect you with our nurses and doctors who will engage you on any time you want, any concern or any question or any challenge you face. And you will do that at your time and wherever you want it. And that is the basis of all of this. And you have to know that once you have the app, you will also make sure that you always check your messages and things that our nurses and clients will be sending to you. And you must also contribute accordingly. This consultation with our nurses and doctors comes at a price. And so an hourly rate or an hourly charge of 10 to 30 cedis, depending on the professional. So if the person is a minor, lower student or lower, the person will pay much lesser, that is about 10 cedi an hour. But if the person is average or much older, will pay between 20 cedis an hour to 30 cedis an hour to get in touch with our nurses. And so that is the payment system. Once you make your payments an hourly rate, you always have our nurses to be with you. If you do not pay, we'll disconnect you from having access with our nurses and our doctors. So that is something you must also be aware of. And this facilitates efficient communication, the app, that is Google Chat app, and it helps coordinate our clients and our nursing and doctors team, as well as the director that brings out the services also engaging and making sure that supervision goes on well. So that is a little bit about how to download the app and how we're going to use it as well with the admin's process. The other thing that you must also understand about this, our health education online program, is our clients' experience benefits. So client experience with healthcare education, it's very, very, very important. Our clients have to enjoy having time with our nurses, our remote nurses and doctors across Ghana and even beyond. So the client experience with health education online is characterized by convenience. That is the key thing. You have to be convenient for the nurses and doctors as well as you, the client. So you arrange when you go to engage and chat with our clients. And also accessibility. The ability to have the accessibility aspect of it. Personalized care. People will have one-on-one consult support with our nurses every hour, so far as you pay your fee and hourly rate, you will be taken care of. If you want to pay it weekly, that is also fine. You calculate 1 hour per week for you. If you want to pay monthly, you also will calculate that for you per hour. And so once you make your payment, we always connect you with our nurses and our doctors accordingly. And that is very much more important. And you must understand that it is also very cheap and affordable. And it eliminates travel and all those trouble you face to get over to the health center. And it also helps brings comfort to the clients and accessibility to help them to do their wonderful things. So these are very, very much important things that I would want you to know about. Also, with our clients, they benefit from several aspects. Benefits are a lot. Health Education Online offers clients a myriad of benefits. I mean, lots of benefits. You have access to meet a nurse or a doctor, becomes your friend, and he also advise you, is always there for you, support all your challenges that you may have. You also have expert advice from professionals who are ready to help you. This eliminates barriers, and also ensures that clients receive timely care, timely support, and guidance, and our healthcare professionals will do all their best to make sure that, you are taken care of, remotely and whatever time and things you need. And furthermore, there's flexibility in when you want to talk to our nurses and doctors through our online platform, that is a Google Chat app. So as of when you want to do that, you will have to let them know, and then you have that. And this also helps those who have busy lifestyles, busy work and things, professionals, workers, and things like that. They can adjust, and they will always have time to talk to our nurses and doctors remotely, and they're going to help you easily. So this is very, very important. That is convenient, and it's quality, efficient, and very cheap as well. And so I'll repeat that again: an hourly rate for minor students is 10 cedis to connect with our nurses, but those who are average and above, or much older, between 20 cedis and 30 cedis for an hour to connect with our nurses. And so this is something I would want you to also take note of. The other thing I would want you to also understand is the nurse and doctor perspective. Okay, our nurses, we make sure are well trained. They have their credential, and we make sure we source them and we train them every week. We update and train them, and we make sure that we engage with them to know and prove to themselves and to us that they can be able to consult with you remotely and professionally. So we have a YouTube channel called the BHS Healthcare Online YouTube channel, where we have the weekly updates and presentations on YouTube through our platform, and that will help let people see that these people are there and they can help in this wonderful project. So the nurses and doctors involved in programs, we have programs, and we have valuable insights that and unique challenges and rewards which are given to our professionals. And this highlights all the wonderful technological platforms and effectiveness and high standard care that we are bringing on the remote online education system in Ghana and as well as Africa as well. And so I want to emphasize that the satisfactory aspect and making sure that you are well served is also there. When you have concerns, you always reach out to the admins and the directors of greater business and will handle that with you accordingly. And so this is very much important. You understand the nurse and doctor perspective that we have, who we work with, and things like that. So remote consultations, empowering our nurses and doctors, educating them, having programs, events, consultations, and making sure that things are done properly, in a better, simple, and affordable manner to help transform the health education space here in Ghana and even beyond. And so these are wonderful things. Discussions goes on, clarifications, and many other things. Understanding of health conditions and treatment, referral. If you need referral, you want to get in touch with other things, all these things are available, to help you. So ultimately, we'll make sure that our clients are informed and they have all the necessary time to make well-qualified decisions with their health personnel online remotely with the BHS Health Education Online Consult Program. So this is something I would want you to understand concerning the perspectives of our nurses and doctors who we work with at Brigham Healthcare Services. So that is something I would also want you to know. We have several plans for the future, and our future directions and expansions are great. We want to cover all over the world, but for now, we are operating in Ghana with Brigham Healthcare Services, and we want to make sure that we improve the health education online system space. And so we bring all these groundbreaking technological advances to make sure that things are done properly. So the BHS Health Education is poised for expansion, like I said earlier, and we plan to broaden our horizon in a wide range of services and bring out strategic partnerships across Ghana and even across the world. And this includes diverse exploring new avenues, remote health delivery systems online, collaborating with like-minded organizations, and we hope to further at this mission and make sure that companies, institutions, workers, students, all will have access to our online education remote system. And there's something also very important, our future goals. We want to make sure that we create a very good relationships that will evolve over time with our clients and our nurses across Ghana and beyond. And this is very, very important. And it's a wonderful tool that will transform, the whole of Africa, Ghana, and even the whole world. And so that is something I would want to buttress and let you know also about. So we hope to be recognized by the whole world, and especially in Ghana and the world, as the leading health education online system that will transform the whole of the world. And so this program is very wonderful, and it brings wonderful experts in health, wonderful technological tools, and clients and professionals. And we also make sure that we evaluate our clients to make sure they are satisfied with any challenges or conditions that they may be facing. And so we have evaluations as well as feedbacks and things that will go to work with our nurses and doctors and our clients. So this is all made up to make sure that we serve our clients well, and then our professionals are also well served. So that is something that we should also know concerning our future goals and plans to expand. I know that as you have heard a lot now about the BHS Health Education Online, you will be able to prepare very well to also join us. Once you listen to us and you have heard about us, kindly get in touch with us. You can get in touch with us by getting over on our channel, our YouTube channel, follow our videos, BHS Online Education, and then you can also find us on Google search. Once you search for Brigham Healthcare Services, you see our contacts there, and you'll be able to get in touch with us, and then we'll do best to connect you with our nurses and our clients remotely, and then have all the necessary support you need. So thank you very much again for your time. My name is Robert Metonunu. I'm the founder, director for Brigham Healthcare Services, BHS for short. And I hope that you have learned something and you can talk to your friends. We welcome all people in Ghana, regardless of the profession you are in. You can be in the working class, you can be not in the working class, you can be in companies, working in banks, working in institutions, working in corporations, working in churches, working in schools, wherever you are, we can connect you with nurses and doctors to assist you remotely with any health education or any health challenge or any health concern or advice or consult that you need. So this is basically what the BHS Health Education Online is all about. And you are welcome again. My name is Robert Metonunu. I'm the founder, director for Brigham Healthcare Services. Thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.